About 50 of them sell 0 houses a year.
Yeah.
Another 30 sell 1 to 3. There's nothing you're ever going to be good at if you do it 1 to 3 times a year.
Yeah.
And that puts you in the top like 70% of the agents that are in the office. The bar to get into becoming a realtor is way too low.
Yeah.
It is stupid easy. And everybody flocks into that industry, and it's all about show. It's all about their social media and the way that they present themselves, but they don't actually know what they're doing. And they're not getting paid unless that deal closes.
Yep.
So you either have a realtor who's not very good at their job and desperate for money and is going to tell you whatever you want to hear in order to get that deal closed.
Yep.
Or you have a realtor that's really good and they're going to be able to shoot straight with you because they don't need the paycheck, but they're probably not going to answer their phone the second that you call every single time. You've got to like kind of pick and choose which direction you're going to go there.
Yeah. And the thing with realtors, guys, is, you know, not to make fun of, you know, people, but when we have our show, how many girls come on the show and say, I'm a realtor on the side? It's a job that you can get part-time, guys. And let's be honest here, if you're doing something part-time, you're never going to be that good at it. So I would say one thing you can use to filter out is hire a full-time realtor. Yeah. Don't hire the hot girl down the street that was referred to you because you want to get laid. No, hire a realtor that does a full-time, that's experienced, and preferably you want to deal with a realtor that works with investors. Yes. Because they're going to have a different mindset. Buying a house as an investor, guys, versus buying a house just to live in are two different things.